Welcome back, everybody. This is Eric here with Iraq Veteran 8888. We're continuing our 2020 SHOT Show coverage, going around checking out lots of stuff. We came by the Sylvan Arms booth. These guys are coming up with some really cool AR-15 accessories. You know, the AR market is kind of stagnant in some cases, right? So you always got to come up with really odd and interesting things to kind of bring people back to the table when it comes to it. They do a couple of things. All right, we're going to look at their Gen 3 folding stock adapter. All right. This is a folding stock adapter, and it's obviously on this gun that's on the table here. All right, so it actually utilizes a pair of ball bearings. This screw on top can adjust the tension to get that, tension just right. It does lock shut. All right, to deploy it, just press this button. It just opens up. Really nice, solid unit. Now, obviously, you can't fire this thing in the folded position, but it's just made to make your AR a lot more compact when in travel. All right, break it out, close it, go to work. Very unobtrusive. It's probably one of their best-selling products is the folding stock adapter. So for some of you that like the idea of a folding stock, another cool thing that you can do while you're getting your folding stock action on, you can get into their Magwell adapter that converts to a Glock tower, okay? So this is another popular product that they make. Now it's in a clear lower here just to show you how this works. But your magazine release is actually right up here on the front of the Magwell. All right, and this is set up for Glock magazines, obviously. This will work with any standard AR-15 lower for being able to run Glock mags in your AR-15. So you just drop your 9mm upper on, you go to town, obviously test it out, get your buffer weight set up just the way you want if you're gonna run suppressor or whatever, and move on with life. I've actually shot these guns set up with these Magwell adapters. They work really well. Nice solid ejector, super tough, really easy install, and these are a great option for some of you that might be looking for that type of a thing, okay? So they got their Magwell adapters, okay? That one's set up for a Glock tower. They've also got an all-tie suppressor with a really clever mounting system. So the way that they're doing these muzzle devices, okay, is the suppressor is a latching system very similar to an AAC. They're all titanium, they're about 9 ounces, so very lightweight suppressor. I wouldn't consider it like full gonzo machine gun rated, but they're really tough units and they're very light. The way they do the muzzle devices is they all have 30 caliber holes through the middle. Whether you get a 5.56 or a 30, it just makes the interchangeability of the muzzle devices super clever and easy to work with. So if you have one of those weird instances where you might have a 1/2x28 threaded 30 cal barrel or something like that, you don't have to worry about which can goes on which muzzle device on which gun. So really solid system. We're going to be testing these suppressors out. So they do these suppressors. They've also got a rimfire can. So Chad and I will be getting a couple of these in to do a bit of metering work and see how they sound and kind of hear how they sound in terms of pitch. So that's pretty much it for Sylvan with what we're going to show off. I like the folding stock adapter. I would love to play with one of those and make like a little 9mm kit or something. So maybe you'll see, now we've done some meltdowns on some of this type of stuff. Maybe you'll see something like that on this as well. So maybe that's a little bit of a clue there. So guys, thanks for watching today. We're going to be continuing our SHOT Show coverage. We're having a great time today. Tons of cool things going on, seeing lots of interesting people, lots of cool products. We're going to keep going down the rabbit hole. So make sure you join us, crack open a beverage. The day is young. We got a lot going on. So we'll see you soon. Appreciate you.